Morning YouTube, day 3 of this um, intermittent fasting and weight loss journey. I weighed myself this morning and I lost about 2 pounds. I started at a little over 212, like 212.5, and I'm at 210 this morning. So not much, but it's a step in the right direction. I really think I need to just manage even though I'm using my Fitness Pal, I need to do more of getting enough calories and enough protein. And I cut my face this morning, shaving. But anyway, about to get this workout in. Same as the last 2 days, 30 minutes on an air assault bike, doing 30 reps of push-ups and 30 abs, maybe 30 reps of maybe crunches or sit-ups. So yeah, let's get it. Hope you guys doing great, being safe. See you in a bit. So folks, another one in the record books, in the log books. Did 30 minutes on the air assault bike, 30 push-ups, 30 crunches with my knees up. Really got to make sure I get this gallon of water in today. I'm sucking. But I think I'm gonna do maybe 2 more days of 30, 30, 30. And I think on Monday, today's Friday, Monday, I'm gonna go to maybe 35 minutes cardio, 35 push-ups, 35 sit-ups. And then I may start implementing some pull-ups, but we'll see. But yeah, it was a good one. Hope you guys are doing great, working towards your goals, staying safe out here, and I'll chat with you guys later.